Understanding liability when a pedestrian is hit by a car in Northern California. Some of the most serious types of personal injury cases are when a pedestrian is hit by a car. That's why victims and their families need to have Berg injury lawyers on their side. People who get hit by a car or truck often suffer catastrophic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, broken bones, and other horrific injuries. Although liability is often straightforward, you can count on a defense lawyer making it more complicated to confuse a judge or jury. Don't let that happen to you. The law is clear when a pedestrian is hit by a car in Northern California. As we all know that under California law, drivers must yield to a pedestrian in a crosswalk. That includes marked crosswalks with white lines, but also unmarked crosswalks at corners of street sidewalks. A driver that hits a pedestrian in any type of crosswalk can be found automatically liable for the accident under the doctrine of negligence per se. However, California law also requires pedestrians to not suddenly leave the curb, walk into the path of a vehicle, or stop in the street. That's where most defense lawyers and insurance adjusters will argue that you were comparatively negligent for your injuries. What that means is that a portion of your recovery may be reduced by your conduct. The truth is that defendants raise comparative fault in every hit-by-car case, even when the defendant's vehicle jumps the curb. Some inexperienced plaintiff's lawyers may even agree and force you to take less money than you deserve. This is why it is critical to get an experienced personal injury law firm like ours. We know how to handle catastrophic accident cases like a pedestrian knockdown, and we will not let defense lawyers and insurance adjusters twist the law inappropriately in their favor. To learn more about how Berg Injury Lawyers can help you, please call our Northern California car accident lawyers by dialing 866-928-4640 for a free consultation, or reach out to us through our website at berginjurylawyers.com.